Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Hostinger domain to Hostinger. First, log into your Hostinger hPanel dashboard. Once inside, locate the Domains section, usually found on the left-hand sidebar. From there, simply select the specific domain name you wish to connect to your hosting account. This initial step is crucial for managing your domain settings effectively and moving forward with the connection process. Next, you will need to update your domain's name servers. Within your domain management area, find the DNS/nameservers menu. Here, you will see an option to use Hostinger name servers. Selecting this option is the easiest way to point your domain, as it automatically configures the necessary DNS records for you. This ensures your domain correctly points to your Hostinger hosting account, typically using two distinct name server addresses. After updating your name servers, it is important to confirm the connection. DNS propagation, the time it takes for changes to update globally, can take up to 24 hours. You can check your domain status directly within your Hostinger hPanel. For an external check, consider using an online DNS checker tool. This will help you verify that your domain is now correctly pointing to your Hostinger hosting, ensuring a smooth transition. Finally, once propagation is complete, clear your browser's cache to see the changes. Then, visit your website to ensure everything loads correctly. If you encounter any issues or your website does not appear as expected, do not hesitate to contact Hostinger's customer support team. They are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to assist you with any technical difficulties and ensure your domain is fully operational.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.